Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the heavy-duty platform truck, a versatile push-cart furniture dolly with an impressive 1,100-pound capacity and 5-inch TPR 360-degree swivel wheels, perfect for loading and storage needs. Measuring 36 by 24 inches, this foldable platform truck is crafted from thickened steel plate and features a sturdy handrail, ensuring durability and reliability. Maneuverability is a breeze with its heavy-duty wheels, including 2 universal wheels for directional adjustments and 2 back wheels with 360-degree swivel functionality, allowing for smooth and silent transportation. The large support capacity is made possible by the robust steel cart plate and durable wheels, making it ideal for both office and home use. Say goodbye to bulky push carts that take up space, as this innovative design allows you to fold down the padded handle in seconds, making it easy to store and ready for use whenever you need it. Whether you're in a factory warehouse, auto shop, shipping dock, restaurant, or at home, this rolling flat folding platform truck cart with wheels is your go-to solution for moving items effortlessly. The package includes a steel flatbed rolling cart, 4 caster wheels, a wide push handle, and all necessary assembly hardware, making it a must-have for efficient and convenient transport. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.